90-Day Fiancé star Jeymi Nogueira recently took to Instagram to let fans know how she was doing, following a 5.9 magnitude earthquake that hit Colombia. Jeymi is a new cast member on 90-Day Fiancé, The Other Way Season 4, along with her American partner Chris Foster. Jeymi met Chris online and the two instantly hit it off, so much so that Chris decided to move to Colombia indefinitely to be with Jeymi. However, Jeymi and Chris plan to get married after only 9 days of being together in person, and several issues are already beginning to unravel in their relationship. 90-Day Fiancé's Jeymi lives in Bogotá, Colombia, which was affected in part by the earthquake. Jeymi took to her Instagram story to post an update on how she was doing, and shared a map showing where the earthquake hit the hardest. Jeymi wrote, "I usually wake up at 5 a.m. but today we woke up at 4 a.m. thanks to the earthquake in Bogotá." Jeymi continued to explain that she was doing fine, and that while her dog Zoe was a bit shaken up that she was fine as well. Jeymi ended the post by saying that she hoped everyone in the affected area were also doing okay. 90-Day Fiancé's Chris did not provide an update. Unlike Jeymi, Chris did not post any updates regarding the earthquake on her social media, which makes it unclear whether she is still in Colombia. Furthermore, Jeymi did not refer to Chris in her post at all, and only gave updates on how she and Zoe were doing. While Chris regularly posts videos from Colombia on her Instagram feed, it is possible that they may be older videos that were recorded during filming. Chris has also previously been rumored to have returned to Alabama, so it is not clear whether Chris and Jeymi are still together. Chris and Jeymi have faced numerous issues so far during their short time together on The Other Way, and it seems unlikely that their relationship will last. Chris and Jeymi's relationship displayed red flags before the couple even met, as Chris had ghosted Jeymi for weeks at a time while Jeymi talked to other women behind Chris' back. Chris also concealed certain information about herself from Jeymi until her arrival in Colombia, including the fact that she would need a $100,000 neck surgery at some point in the near future. 90-Day Fiancé fans are curious to see how Jeymi and Chris' relationship will end up on The Other Way, and it is possible that Jeymi's recent post may be a slight clue. If Jeymi was able to update fans about her dog, it is unlikely that she would fail to update them about other people living with her. However, it is also possible that Jeymi and Chris may still be together and are just trying to contain spoilers from getting out to viewers. Nonetheless, it is excellent to see that Jeymi is doing well following the earthquake in Bogotá, and that she was essentially unharmed. Source: Jeymi Nogueira, Instagram.